Hi, I'm Tjasa Nohar-Plavec, welcoming you to Atelier Emona, an architectural workshop designed to connect and educate young architects through collaborative projects right here in the green capital of Europe, Ljubljana. This August, we invite architectural students and young architects to a transformative journey. Join us for a week-long exploration into sustainable design, focusing on the innovative use of wood from Slovenia's rich forests. During our time together, you will stay close to Ljubljana's city center, work on the project brief in groups, and have a chance to participate at fun evening activities. Enrich your portfolio with one-of-a-kind hands-on learning, designing and constructing a wooden pavilion with guidance from renowned local and international architects. So far, our workshops have brought together young architects from over 20 different countries across 3 continents. Our time together is reminded by genuine connections made amongst fellow architects and learning the value of coming together to seek solutions that would truly serve its future users. Our workshops emphasize innovation, sustainability, and practical knowledge and are a true testament to the collaborative spirit of architects. Secure your place early and join a community where architecture connects us all and experience the unique spirit of Atelier Emona this August. Let's innovate, learn, and grow together.